Speak English podcast with Aysel and Abdul Rahman. Let's learn.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Aysel. I am Aysel, and I am with my friend Abdul Rahman.
Hi everyone! Wow, last week was amazing. So many people told me, Abdurrahman, I fixed my P and B. Thank you, Aysel.
You are welcome, Abdul Rahman, and thank you, listeners. Your progress makes us so happy. But are you ready for the next challenge?
Next challenge? What is it?
Today, we fix another sound that confuses Arabic speakers. When you say very, do people hear fairy? When you say fan, do they hear van?
Surprised! Oh my god, yes, exactly. I always mix V and F. It's so frustrating.
Don't worry. This is episode 2 of Arabic Speaker Fix. Today, master V and F in American English. And guess what? The secret is similar to P versus B, but with a twist.
Similar? How?
You'll see. Let's start with the science. Okay, Abdul Rahman, let's compare. Say fan. What do you feel?
My top teeth touch my bottom lip, and air comes out, like
Perfect. That is F. Now try van. What changes?
same thing. Teeth on lip, air, van. But you say it's wrong.
Here is the secret. In Arabic, there is no V sound, so your brain uses F instead. But in American English, V and F are different. Let me show you. For the letter F, teeth on lip, air comes out, no vibration. Put your hand on your throat, say f, f. Do you feel anything?
No shaking, just air.
Correct. That is a voiceless sound. Now for the letter V, teeth on lip, but add vibration. Put your hand on your throat, say v, v. Feel the buzz?
Oh, yes! My throat is shaking now.
Exactly. F equals air only plus no vibration. V equals air plus vibration. This vibration is called voicing. Without it, very sounds like fairy. With it, it sounds clear, American.
Wow. So V is like B and F is like P.
Yes, you got it. B and V equal voiced, vibration. P and F equal voiceless, air only. Your brain is learning the pattern.
That makes sense. Okay, I am ready to practice.
Great. Let's move to round 1. Listeners, this is your turn too. We will say pairs, one with F, one with V. Abdul Rahman, repeat after me, and listeners, repeat out loud.
Let's go.
First pair, fan and van. Listen, fan, van. Notice the vibration on van. Put your hand on your throat. Abdul Rahman, your turn.
Fan, van.
Good. Feel the buzz on van? Next pair, fine and vine. Fine, vine. Same vowel, different consonant. Your turn.
Fine, vine.
Excellent. Next one is tricky. Safe and save. Safe, save. The vibration is at the end. Don't drop it. Abdul Rahman.
Safe, save.
Perfect. One last pair. Leaf and leave. Leaf, leave. Notice the vowel changes too, but focus on the ending consonant. Abdelrahman,
Leaf, leave.
you are improving fast. I can hear the vibration. But words are easy. What about sentences?
Oh no, here we go again.
You can do it. Let's move to round 2. In sentences, we flow, but we keep the V vibration clear. I will say a sentence. You repeat. First sentence. Very fine vegetables. Listen. Very, v. Fine, f. Vegetables, v. 3 V's and 1 F. Abdulrahman?
Very fine vegetables.
Nice. Did you feel the buzz on very and vegetables? Next sentence. I love to travel in the van. Love, v. Travel, v. Van, v. 3 V's in 1 sentence. Your turn.
I love to travel in the van.
Good. One more. This is a tongue twister. Vivian's very valuable vase vanished. Vivian's, v. Very, v. Valuable, v. Vase, v. Vanished, v. Lots of V vibration here. Can you do it, Abdulrahman?
Vivian's very valuable vase vanished.
Wonderful! You didn't mix them up. Listeners, if you did it too, give yourself a clap. You are speaking American English now.
It feels different. My throat is tired from vibrating.
That means you are learning. Muscles need training. Now I have a challenge for you. Here is your homework for this week. I want you to record yourself saying this sentence. The very friendly vet saved 5 animals. Send it to us in the comments or practice it 5 times every morning. Focus on the V in very, vet, saved, 5. Wait, 5 has a V at the end. Don't forget the vibration.
I won't forget. Very friendly vet. Got it. Aisel, what is next? Will we fix more sounds?
Yes, next episode we will tackle another hard sound. Maybe R and L or TH sounds. You will have to subscribe to find out.
Did you hear that, everyone? Subscribe. And tell us in the comments, which sound is harder for you? Is it V or is it something else?
We read every comment, and we might fix your problem in the next episode. Thank you for joining us on Speak English with Aisel. I am Aisel.
And I am Abdul Rahman.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, real English, real situations, real learning. Wait, before you go, we have added a bonus practice section below. We will repeat the hardest words slowly. Use Ispart to shadow us. Ready? Van, fan. Van, fan. Vine, fine. Vine, fine. Save, safe. Save, safe. Keep repeating until your mouth remembers the feeling. Thank you for staying with us. Now go practice.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone.